Did you know that the rug in your home does more than just cover the floor? It sets the mood, defines the style, and influences how you feel in your space. In 2025, rugs aren't just about design, they're about color psychology. The shades you choose for your rug can calm you down, energize you, or even make a room feel bigger or cozier. Let's unlock the power of color and discover how your rug choice can transform your home this year. 1. The influence of warm colors. Warm colors like red, orange, and yellow bring energy and positivity. A red rug can create a cozy and dramatic feel, perfect for living rooms where families gather. Orange tones add playfulness and creativity, making them ideal for a study or playroom. Yellow and golden shades, on the other hand, bring happiness and optimism. Place them in a dining room or breakfast nook, and you'll instantly notice the cheerful vibe they create. In 2025, terracotta and burnt orange rugs are especially trending as they add both warmth and sophistication to modern interiors. 2. The calmness of cool colors. Cool colors, blue, green, and teal, bring peace and relaxation. A soft blue rug in the bedroom creates a calming environment that helps you sleep better. Green rugs symbolize balance and harmony, reminding us of nature and freshness, which makes them perfect for living rooms or reading corners. Teal and aqua shades add a modern twist, giving spaces a refreshing yet stylish touch. This year, designers are pairing cool-toned rugs with natural wood furniture and indoor plants to create a serene, nature-inspired look inside the home. 3. The elegance of neutrals. Neutral shades like beige, ivory, gray, and taupe never go out of style. They are versatile, timeless, and work with almost every decor theme. A gray rug, for example, can balance a colorful room, while a beige or cream rug can make small spaces look bigger and brighter. In 2025, earthy neutrals with subtle textures, like woven patterns or layered tones, are becoming popular. These rugs create a calm, grounding effect and allow your statement furniture or artwork to take center stage. If you love flexibility in decor, neutrals are your best friend. 4. The luxury of dark shades. Dark rugs like navy, charcoal, or deep brown bring depth and luxury. They create a bold statement, grounding your room and making it feel more intimate. A navy rug with golden accents, for example, instantly adds elegance to a modern living room. Charcoal gray works beautifully with minimalist furniture, while deep brown tones add warmth to rustic or classic spaces. In 2025, dark rugs are often being paired with metallic finishes, like brass lamps or gold-trimmed coffee tables, to create a dramatic, high-end look. 5. The freshness of pastels and bright tones. Pastels and brights are perfect for adding softness and playfulness. Pastel pinks, lavenders, and mint greens are widely used in bedrooms and kids' rooms, where a gentle and soothing vibe is needed. Bright tones like turquoise, coral, or sunshine yellow bring life and energy, making them great choices for creative spaces or small apartments. Designers in 2025 are blending pastel rugs with boho or Scandinavian decor, mixing light woods, woven textures, and soft colors for a refreshing, modern look. So, when you're choosing a rug in 2025, don't just think about patterns or size, think about the colors. Every shade has the power to shape your mood and the atmosphere of your space. Warm colors for energy and joy. Cool tones for peace and balance. Neutrals for timeless elegance. Dark shades for luxury. And pastels for softness and creativity. Your rug isn't just a floor covering, it's a story of color that transforms your home every single day. Which rug color would you choose to tell your story?